Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. Now I've been up the shop today and I've spent £13.02 for 3 meals. That works out at what, £4.30 something odd p each? Each meal is enough for a family of 4. I know people in this country are going to start struggling soon with all the gas and the electric bill. So let me show you what I bought today. Right, today for a family of 4 I'm going to do fish, homemade chips and mushy peas. The fish cost me £2.39. The mushy peas were 20p. And I always buy bacon potatoes, big bag, because they're a lot bigger. I mean, one of them will do you for chips for one. Well, they're going to be for the next 2 meals after this one. So they're divided, you see, and there's only £1.20. But I'm going to do this in the air fryer. You can do it in the oven, but I've never done breaded fish in the air fryer, in the Aldi air fryer, so I'm going to try it. So, first things first, let's get the fish in the air fryer. Well, I'm going to put the air fryer on, I'm going to get it up to warm up. So that's going on to warm up, and while that's warming up, I'll put some water in a pot. Let's get that on to heat up. That's for your chips. I mean, look at it, it's quite big, that is. You know, £2.39 for 4 from Aldi. So obviously I'm going to have to chop that in half to put it into the air fryer, because it's not going to go in like that in one. But I'll wait for that to warm up. Give it a couple of minutes. Right, that's all warmed up now. I'm going to cut the fish in half, because you won't get it in otherwise. Now I don't know if to stick any oil on it or what. I think I'm just going to put it in plain. Stick a couple in. And I'm going to stick it on for about 15 minutes, I think. Let's try that. Now my water's boiled. So I'm going to cut my potato up. Right, I've cut my potato. So you get quite a lot, that's just one potato, because I'm only doing it for one. But this is for a family of 4 with the 4 fish. There's quite a lot of chips there for one potato. Water's boiled, so I've only got table salt, because this is budget, this is low cost, cheap budget family meals. So it's just table salt, none of your fancy stuff. Bit in the water. And get your chips in. You want to boil them for about 5 or 6 minutes. Just get them a bit softer. Put the lid on. And give them 5 or 6 minutes while that fish is cooking. As I say, while all that's cooking, I'm just put the mushy peas in a pan. Pull cord, that's a good one. You know, the way things are going in the UK at the minute, especially with all this gas and electric prices going up, people are going to start struggling. So I thought I'd show you, at least you can get a meal inside you for a couple of quid. So say if you do like content like this, you know, cheap family meals, low cost, give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a comment. Right, the chips are done. Well, the potatoes, not chips at the minute. So what you want to do, you want to drain them. Come over to your sink. Get me your colander. Oh, smoky. Now what you want to do, you want to leave them for about 10 minutes. Fish is looking nice. Yes, I think I'll turn that over. Well, I've got my tongs. Oh, look at that, that's nice and crispy. Look at them. Put them back in. Now obviously, because I've only got a small air fryer, I'm going to have to take the fish out and put the chips in. And when the chips are done, we put the fish back in for 1 minute just to warm it through. The potatoes have cooled down a little bit, let's get them in the bowl. You want a drop of oil, not a lot, just a drop. Then you want just a sprinkle of salt. As I say, it's only cheap salt because It's budget style. And we'll give it all a mix. Right, let's check the fish. That's done, I can tell. We'll get that out. So I didn't know how long the fish are taking here. Seems quite nice. Now you want to get your chips in. No need to put any oil in because there's already oil all over the chips. Right, I think they're about done. Look at them. Homemade chips, absolutely gorgeous. Lovely. Hot, hot, hot. Look at the crispness on them. I'm going to take them out and put them in a bowl a minute. Look at them, look. I'm just going to put my fish back in for 1 minute, just to warm it through. Absolutely stunning. Give it a taste test in a minute. So there you go. Fish chips, mushy peas, all from Aldi's. That works out for a family of 4, about 75 pence per person. That's absolutely stunning, look at that. Perfect, absolutely perfect. So let's give it a proper taste test. Right, so let's give it a test then. Let's try the chip first. Bit of mushy peas. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. Let's try a bit of this fish. It's cooked to perfection. Only took about 12 minutes in the air fryer, that. And then a minute to warm back through at the end. That's brilliant. I know you people say you can use this stuff and that stuff, but the channel's not about that. The channel's about low cost, budget food. Some people are struggling. Every penny counts. So that's what this channel's about. And I say things are only going to get worse, especially here in the UK. I think it's happening all over the world. But 75p a portion, I don't think you can go wrong. At least you can get something filling in your belly. But as I say, if you do like content like this, give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave yourselves a comment. I'll reply to all the comments. And tell me what you think. Wait till tomorrow's video and you'll see. I got something a bit more cheap. I think it was £4.50 for the whole lot. So that's like just over £1 a meal for a family of 4, which I think that tomorrow's can stretch to a family of 6. So until the next video, see you later. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Bye bye.